After watching this video, your life will become easier because I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when the brightness control on your Windows 11 computer is not working or is grayed out. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. As always, let's start from the beginning. First, at the bottom left search bar, search for Device Manager. Then open Device Manager. Find and expand the Monitors option. Under Monitors, you may see generic Non-PnP monitor and generic PnP monitor. Sometimes disabling and then re-enabling the generic Non-PnP monitor can make brightness controls work again because it forces Windows to reload the display driver. Similarly, disabling and re-enabling the generic PnP monitor can refresh the display driver connection. However, if the issue is with the graphics driver itself, this may not fully fix the problem. If still have problem, go back to Device Manager. When enter to Device Manager, find and expand Display Adapters. You'll see your graphics card name. This may vary for different computers. Right-click and uninstall the graphics driver. This forces Windows to reinstall the driver, which can sometimes fix brightness issues. If the problem is due to an outdated or incorrect driver, you may need to manually update it from the manufacturer's website. After uninstalling, the screen may go black briefly. Don't worry. Click the Action tab at the top, then select Scan for hardware changes. Wait for your graphics card to reload, then restart your computer. If the problem still have, then search for Terminal in the search bar and open it. Type the following command text, sfc/scan now, and press enter. This checks and repairs corrupted Windows system files. It may fix brightness issues if they're caused by damaged system files, but not if the issue is due to drivers or hardware. Wait for the scan to finish, then restart your laptop. After these steps, your brightness control should work again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.